car. OEM catalyst from Germany. We're talking thousands and thousands of pounds just for a catalyst. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Hoodstick. Yes, we are driving to the garage. I hope everybody is well. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Today we're going to be driving to the garage and we're going to be getting rid of this loud V6 noise. I finally got a brand new exhaust. This brand new exhaust is from eBay, so let's make our way to the garage. As soon as we get there, we'll talk more about the part. So here it is. So this is the exhaust that we've got. We bought it from eBay. I think it was around £160 if I'm correct and right. The reason why I chose this brand new exhaust from eBay is specifically for the E36, but if I wanted to get this car MOT'd past, we'd have to buy catalyst for the car. OEM catalyst from Germany. We're talking thousands and thousands of pounds just for a catalyst.
Yeah, man, they cut you off. Look how they cut you off. Bad, isn't it? Not nice, is it? Come back. I started the car. That's when I knew it was all over.
This company sells aftermarket catalysts with the full exhaust kit up to the manifold, excluding the back box, is about 165 grand. So it's a bit of a bargain, to be honest. So it's a win-win. So that's why we bought it. So this is what we're going to be doing now. So at this point, so the way to take this exhaust off, we've seen at the front part of the car, underneath the manifold, there's a two-way exhaust. There's 3 bolts for one of them, there's another 3 bolts for another one, so there's 6 bolts at the front, and at the back of the exhaust there's about 2 bolts each. So in total you're going to be taking off 10 bolts, 6 at the front, 4 at the bottom, and then
these ones that
we're going to swap the parts over. So
but they look like,
you know,
should be able
it
to
was
come
a
out
big
easily.
cut what the thieves did. It wasn't like a small cut where I can just weld in the catalyst or weld in the pipe. This is something that I had to, I'm glad that we bought a whole kit. So moving forward, the mechanic Lala, I've known him for many years. He's really good at his job, and this is why we're here. So it's allowed me to film this as well. So we can see, like, getting the parts off. It's a bit of a struggle. Getting some of these parts off, just trying to figure it out, because one thing we learned about the eBay exhaust is the OEM, it fits on, like, you know, proper, but with this replica exhaust that we got, that's been made, I'd say it's slightly out of line, but we're just trying to see the fitments and if it goes pretty well. And also we can use some of the OEM parts and not just putting the new ones in there, because let's face it, OEM parts are always better and more solid. So here it is, we're getting all the parts off. We've got the back bit off now. We've taken off the old one, and now we're going to install the new exhaust in, putting in the new gaskets. They look pretty decent, to be honest. They're not too flimsy, they're not too you know, sometimes when you get like a replica parts or anything in exhaust from eBay, you know, there's going to be some sort of mistake or cracks or holes, but this one's pretty decent. It's, you know, it looks pretty well built, shall I say. They found a company called BM Motors, so they created the exhaust. It does require 2 people, one to hold it while the other one screws it in. So we have got it in. Just lining it up was a bit of a struggle with this car. As soon as we got the front bolts in, we had to like proper like force it in and slightly bend it a bit. Whether that's because it's a brand new part, I'm not too sure, but we managed to get it in eventually. Put the new bolts back in, and that's it, putting the gaskets in. That's probably an important bit, just non-stop. It wasn't an easy job. I'm glad that we took it to a garage to do it and not done it with on a jack. It's just, you know, it's just one of those things, isn't it? So yeah, so the here in these pictures, you can see the exhaust is sitting pretty well. It's looking pretty nice, and this is the moment of truth now. Let's see how the car sounds.
Let's start the car up now with the new exhaust. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, Lala. Perfect. He's saying go, 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 go. He fully misshifted there. Oh, it's looking proper clean though, isn't it? For a classic car, it's looking so clean. I expected it to be that clean, to be fair.
Where are you now?
Okay, I'm actually reversing the car out now. Absolutely sounds like a beast, kind of. So as I'm reversing the car out, I'm just gonna wait for the moment of truth. Whoa, this car's got reversed into parking.